Welcome to Tiski Diary, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, like, and subscribe. Kaiser Chiefs versus Elche. Kaiser Chiefs are in Spain. Already played two 1-1 draw against the Rangers and a 1-1 against Al Khalud. Kaiser Chiefs leading in both games and also conceding late in the game, in the dying minutes of the game. So Kaiser Chiefs, they need to concentrate. They need to learn how to concentrate. They learn how to. They need to be able to learn how to defend a lead. And I think the coach should also maybe in terms of up his game in terms of being able to protect the lead tactically. Now this was the last lineup with Peterson, Monyane, Quinica, Miguel, Huesa, Ndlovu, Chislet in the middle, Vilagazi, Partman being played as a 10 behind the striker of Igodaro and Valibai on the side. That was the previous starting lineup, and that was Kaiser Chiefs coming close to winning on both occasions. And yeah, I think the new signing, the new goalkeeper, he needs to also adapt. I did not like the goal he conceded against Rangers, and I think Kaiser Chiefs definitely should have won that game. Now, this is how Kaiser Chiefs are going to line up against Elche. Elche, they're playing used to playing against the likes of Barcelona and the likes of Real Madrid. That is Elche. And yeah, let's if we use common sense, say that this game should be won by Elche. However, my heart belongs to Ikosi. So this is the lineup. I think the coach Fernando da Cruz will put up probably the strongest Kaiser Chiefs lineup possible with Peterson in goal, Monyane coming in at right back, Moloi Sane and Dodley as a central pairing. Dodley coming back from injury, looking like a new signing for the team. I play him alongside Moloi Sane, new signing team Moloi Sane. Bradley Cross definitely joining the team in Spain, coming from the World Cup. He is there. He was a late comer there, but he is in Spain, so he starts today. And I have Maboe in the middle of the park and his defensive partner, Reef Rosler. Coach Da Cruz converting Reef Rosler from right back to midfielder. We know that Frosler has got that big engine on him. He is able to attack. He's able to take those shots at goal. So yeah, I think he is a nice midfield partner for Maboe. Maboe being able to be given that license to create opportunities and attack. So yeah, in front of them, I will not have Bartman. I will have Villa playing as a 10. We know that Shabalala is carrying a niggling injury. I would usually start him alongside on the left as a number 10, but I will play him. I will play Valibai. Valibai, having scored an assist, he has two assists and a goal, if I'm not mistaken. So Valibai starts alongside Vilagazi. And on the right, I think who should go on the right, guys? Drop your thoughts on comments. It's Vilagazi, it's Shabalala, and also Chislet. On the sides, we have Vilagazi and Valibai and Chislet in playing alongside Villa and Valibai, and we play Silva as the striker. That is the starting lineup Kaiser Chiefs should put, and I think Kaiser Chiefs would be looking to consolidate the game, avoid conceding very early, because we know that Spanish sides, they like to play football. You can see how the way Spain is playing in the World Cup. Elche have a very similar style. They've beaten the likes of Real Madrid. I think they once beat Real Madrid 5-1. So Elche are no pushovers. Yeah, so it's going to be a very interesting game of football. Let's hope that Kaizer Chiefs will be able to get their first victory before coming back. I will be telling you which new signings are coming through to Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, so watch out for the next show. I'll be talking about the players that Kaizer Chiefs are going to be announcing before the Toyota Cup. You know, Kaizer Chiefs playing against Scotland FC in the Toyota Cup when they return. I think that that game is a very good preparation for the CAF Confederations Cup, which I think Kaizer Chiefs should definitely be aiming to win. Right, guys, remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.